Welcome to this video on how to calculate total resistance in series and parallel circuits. You will learn the formulas step by step and master simple circuit math. What is electrical resistance? Resistance is the opposition to the flow of electric current, like a traffic block. The basic formula is R equals V over I, and it is measured in ohms. The series circuit is a single path where resistors are connected end to end. The current is the same throughout, but the voltage is divided. Total resistance increases as you add more resistors. To add resistance in a series circuit, you simply use the formula R total equals R1 plus R2 plus R3. For example, if R1 is 5, R2 is 10, and R3 is 15 ohms, the total resistance is 30 ohms. The total resistance is always greater than the largest single resistor. The parallel circuit has multiple paths where resistors are connected across the same 2 points. Current splits into different branches, but the voltage is the same across each resistor. Total resistance decreases when you add more branches. To calculate total resistance in a parallel circuit, you use the reciprocal formula. 1 over R total equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. You must remember to flip the final fraction to get R total. The total resistance will always be smaller than the smallest resistor. For a 2-resistor parallel circuit, you can use the shortcut formula. R total equals R1 times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Multiply on top and add on the bottom. For example, if R1 is 4 and R2 is 6 ohms, R total is 2.4 ohms. Series circuits have the same current everywhere, voltage is divided, and resistance is the sum of resistors. Parallel circuits split current into branches, have the same voltage, and use the reciprocal formula for resistance. Series circuits are found in simple battery-powered circuits and Christmas light strings. Parallel circuits are used in household electrical wiring and power distribution systems. Avoid common mistakes like adding resistances directly in parallel or forgetting to take the reciprocal. Always check if components share the same current path or the same voltage points. Now test your skills with a series problem. Find the total resistance if R1 is 8 ohms and R2 is 12 ohms. The solution is 8 plus 12, which equals 20 ohms. Here's a parallel problem. Find the total resistance if R1 is 10 ohms and R2 is 10 ohms. The solution is 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10, which is 2 over 10. Flip it to get 10 over 2 or 5 ohms. Remember the golden rules. Series resistance adds directly, and parallel resistance uses reciprocals. Total resistance increases in series and decreases in parallel. These calculations are key to mastering Ohm's law.